Guys, you can definitely make money with Airbnb without owning any type of property. I've done it for years. I'm Alan Jimenez, real estate broker since 2005, 18 plus years experience. I manage 153 properties. I'm licensed by the state of Texas. 0549644 is my license number. So, how do you start making money without owning any property? Well, it's easy. First off, all you got to do is reach out to your friends, families, neighbors, see who has an extra bedroom. Now, Airbnb allows you to rent a bedroom, just a private living area, even a bed, so you can have a shared room. So think about this. You go to one of your neighbors, you go to one of your family friends, hey, who has an empty bedroom? Let's split the profits 50-50. They're like, okay, I have a bedroom here. I got nothing but boxes in there. Okay, cool. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. You're going to put four bunk beds, or two sets of bunk beds. So you have four beds, okay? We've done this in Santa Monica. We're getting $50 a night per bedroom. So that's $200 for that one little room, which is like a 8 by 10 sale. But because it was one of the best, it is the best neighborhood of Los Angeles, Oceanside, or close to the ocean. That one was about 5 blocks. We're getting $50, even almost $100 per bedroom time. Per bed, times four beds in that one room because they're bunk beds. God, that's $400 a night. Times 10, it's 4,000. Times 3 is $12,000 in potential profit in that Santa Monica. Yes, that's outlandish because Santa Monica, very expensive, but you can do it. So reach out to family, friends. Of course, it's not going to be a ton of money. Yes, it's going to be a little bit of work, but at least this answers the question, how do I get started with Airbnb without any money, without owning a property, nothing, just a little bit of hustle. So, if you want to learn more about Airbnb, check me out. I have a blog, always giving tips and videos, onlineairbnb.com. Check me out on Google. I got like 5-star reviews from my students. You cannot go wrong. I even have a podcast. If you want to take the course, go to onlineairbnb.com. Go up to the top. It says Masterclass. If you're on your phone, you have to click those 3 things. Click Masterclass. I even have a free class. Like there's no way in the world you can lose. The only thing is you can gain by going and checking out my website. Check it out. If you like it, we can purchase the whole thing. If not, get a few classes for free, just like you learned right now. So anyways, I'm Alan Jimenez, real estate broker since 2005. Manage 153 properties all across the world. Right now, I'm actually in Thailand, Pattaya. Yeah, I'm in Thailand, Pattaya, managing this building right here with another 20 units. So check me out. I'll see you guys on the next one.